welcome to Post for Rent's Manager Lite. Our Manager Lite plan is perfect for small or startup brands who want to buy branded content at scale and reach their ideal target customers using influencers' audience data. The plan includes a total reach calculator, influencer access, engagement calculator, and a fully automated payout. One of the advantages of Manager Lite plan is you don't need to pay a monthly fee to use the platform. Your only cost for using Post for Rent is a 20% service fee every time you pay for an influencer used on a campaign. You'll be able to create public campaigns which allow influencers to join from the 7 main social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, YouTube, and Tunemoji. So let's dive into the platform and take a quick look. So as you can see here, the X-ray tool is open. So this is where you can type an influencer's name or username and find them on one of the selected platforms and make an analysis on their profile. You can also head over to the campaign section and click on new campaign in the top right, and this will start your public campaign. So this is the basic setup. The first thing to do here would be type in the title, select a country from the drop down menu, or of course you can leave it blank for a global campaign. On the right hand side is where you'll select the platform. Below that is the post type, so you just need to choose whether you want Instagram feed or an Instagram story, and then simply the application period from and to, and the posting period from and to. Next along would be the influencer section. So this is where you're going to narrow the influencers down by follower range. So minimum and maximum follower range would go in there. The age, and you can select up to 3 categories. Below that is the payment. So we price per follower range. So below 5k, 5 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 80, 80 to 120, and 120 to 200. Then anything over 200, they all have separate pricing for follower ranges. We've handily included the fill prices with suggested. So as you can see, below each box is a suggested fee. That's from our algorithm, and all you have to do is click on that button and we'll populate that field automatically for you. Next along is the brief. So this is just where you write as much information as possible about your company and about what it is that you want, the personality of the posts, and what you want and what you don't want from the content. If you'd like to direct them to a URL, perhaps a web shop, you can do that on the right hand side. And you can also upload any images you want, perhaps for inspiration or things that you actually want them to post. That's where you would do that. Below that is the mobile app cover image. So this is just something that's going to represent you on the influencer side app. The next step would be wording of the post. You can either make them say something specific, or a popular choice is to freestyle. So you would just give them guidelines and allow the influencer to say that in their own personality. The final step is the overview. So this is just a quick look at everything that you've done and just double check your instructions and your wording of the post and the links to share and any images that you have uploaded and the dates. And hitting finish here will go live with the campaign. As you can see, the X-ray tool is also included in this plan. So this will allow you to search for influencers here using their name or their username. Simply by selecting the platform here and searching in this bar here, you'll be able to analyze any public profile. So if you need any further reports, you can click on Need More here. Now this will allow you to buy reports for profile analysis. So as you can see there, you can buy one for $5 or you can buy plans of 10 or 50, or of course a bespoke amount. You simply contact us. And in the very top right hand side of the screen, you'll see your settings and finances. So this will allow you to make settings changes on your account, and the finances will allow you to go into your finance section and check any total transactions, amount you've spent, and balance on your account.